In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a board in Monday.com effortlessly. Whether you're looking to duplicate the structure of a board or include all its contents and updates, this tutorial will guide you through each step. Let's jump in and simplify the process of managing your projects on Monday.com. First, to get started, open up your browser and head over to Monday.com. It's important to make sure you're on the correct website, so take a second to double check your URL. Once you're there, look toward the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see the login button. Click on that. You'll either see options to sign in using Google or enter the email address associated with your Monday.com account. Choose whichever method is more convenient for you and follow the prompts to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific board that you want to work with. This is a crucial step as you'll need to have direct access to the board you're planning to duplicate. When you've found the board, look to the right of its name and you'll notice a small 3-dot menu. That's your action menu for the board. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Select the option labeled Duplicate from this drop-down menu. A new pop-up window will immediately open, providing you with further settings to personalize your new board. This window gives you the opportunity to rename your copied board, so think about how you'd like to distinguish this new board from the original for easy reference. Below the renaming field, you'll find a drop-down menu with additional options on how you would like your board to be copied. This is an important decision as it determines what details are included in your duplicated board. You can opt to duplicate the board without any items, which means only the board structure will be duplicated. Alternatively, choose Duplicate Board with Items if you want both the board layout and all existing items to be copied over. Lastly, if you want a comprehensive duplication, select Structure, Items and Updates. This option will replicate the board's layout, all items and any updates or notes written within the board. After making your selections, it's time to finalize your decision. Simply click on the Duplicate button and a new board will be created based on the preferences you've set. Look to the lowest part of your left screen where new boards typically appear, and you'll find your copied board ready to be used. Now you have a newly duplicated board with all the elements you need to continue your workflow seamlessly. And that's it. Copying a board in Monday.com is a straightforward process when you know the steps. By following this guide, you can streamline your project management tasks and ensure that all necessary details are at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.